What's the meaning of cling? Cling. Cling.
Cling. Cling. Cling typically means to hold on tightly to something or someone. It can refer to physical grasping or emotional attachment. When someone clings to something, it suggests a desire for security, safety, or comfort. It can also convey a sense of desperation or neediness. The result of clinging is often a feeling of dependence or reliance on the object of one's clinginess. Whether positive or negative, clinging suggests a strong sense of attachment that is difficult to break.